Hello and welcome to my channel. I am at Hunt's Battlefield Fries Cafe in Gettysburg, Pennsylvania on Steinway Avenue. We're gonna check them out and hopefully get some lunch.
The middle?
Plenty of memorabilia here in Hunt's. I figured I'd have a look around while I'm waiting for my lunch.
Yep.
Here's a look at the menu. And I am going to have a medium French fries and a vanilla milkshake. I can eat a large French fries, but I can't afford a large French fries. Anyway, they are quite good. And there it is, the medium French fries, vanilla milkshake. And it ended up being, I believe, $13.78 for the two. Hunt's is just one of these places, and there are a number that every time I'm in town, I make sure to stop at. Although there are so many good places in town, I have a tendency to just come to one place for a particular thing. With Hunt's, I always come for some of their fries. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and if you're familiar with Hunt's, let me know what you think.